Okay, so Kiran, as you just had your interview in IIT Jodhpur, PhD for biotech
Sir,
and bio
MTech PhD.
MTech PA plus PhD, yeah,
Dual degree, sir.
dual degree. Which course? Which department?
Biological science and bioengineering.
Okay, and you are BTech in biotechnology.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So Kiran, can you please confirm me your credentials first? I mean your CGPA, your GATE score with this branch, and your category.
Sure, sir. My category is general, unreserved. My GATE score is 458,
Okay.
and my CGPA until 7th sem aggregate is 8.2.
Okay, 8.2. Okay, so far how many calls you had?
So far I had 3 calls.
Okay.
One from IIT Gandhinagar for MTech, and from IIT Varanasi again for MTech Biochemical Engineering, and IIT Jodhpur MTech and PhD dual degree.
But IIT Gandhinagar, you got call from which department?
Same, sir, biological science department. So
Okay.
in IIT.
Okay. Okay, so you got 3 calls so far. Kiran,
sir.
now please share your interview experience in IIT Jodhpur.
In IIT Jodhpur, I had my interview experience today itself. There were 4 professors on the panel, and they started with basic questions. The first question they asked me was introduce yourself. So like I was guided in the mock interview, I did the same. Then they asked me what were my favorite subjects. So I told them my favorite subjects were biochemistry, molecular biology, some of the basic subjects of our course. So then they asked me in which field you want to work here in IIT Jodhpur. So I told drug discovery and development because I was interested in it. So they asked me some basic questions about drug discovery. 2 to 3 questions they asked me. I answered them properly. So then another professor asked me about basic questions in biochemistry, and I answered that too. And one more professor asked me about some questions about proteins, polypeptides, protein purification. Then what are the techniques which are there to determine a sequence of proteins and how to purify it from scratch. So they asked me some analytical questions, like if you have a protein in a solution, how will you purify it, what are the stages of purification, and finally what is a purified product in get, and how will you determine its sequence, and those type of questions. Then they asked me about they didn't ask me anything about the project, or I thought because it will be a PhD interview they'll ask about mathematics, but they didn't ask about mathematics too, and even any question related to coronavirus also they didn't ask, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Finally, one professor asked me, are you reading any of the research which is going on in IIT Jodhpur? So again, as I was guided in the mock interview, I did the same. I told them I have interest in this area, this professor. They just told okay. So that was it, sir. Basically, my interview is just not more than 5 minutes.
Okay. So now tell me, Kiran, did they ask you for research proposal during application?
No, sir. They didn't ask me about research proposal.
Did they ask you about your BTech project?
BTech project also they didn't ask me about.
So this Kiran, you are graduate in biotechnology, right?
Yes, sir.
You have written GATE also with biotechnology only?
Yes, sir. GATE also in biotechnology.
So the students of biotechnology can write GATE only in biotechnology or other departments?
Sir, they can write another paper, GATE Excel, which is of life sciences.
Okay.
They can write that also, and also they can write biomedical engineering. So this was recently introduced, like last 2 years before they introduced.
Okay. So this, how many people do you think the students write with biotechnology?
So somewhere around 12,000 or 13,000 I've written this year. But the pass percentage was very less. Only 12% have qualified.
Okay.
And my GATE score is very low. 37.3 is my marks.
But still, you know, if you manage with this, because CGPA is good, your CGPA is good. So if you manage the calls and if you convert that, that will be a good thing, opportunity actually.
Yes, sir.
So try to prepare.
Even I was shocked because even though I had a less marks, still my rank was 892, all India rank. So I was shocked, and then I saw not many people have qualified, so I have an opportunity this time. And
yes,
simultaneously I'm getting many calls also.
And you're getting, so now only thing you have to do is you have to prepare really well. And now you have some experiences also of interviews. So now prepare well so that you convert it.
Yes, sir.
And I tell you, this field is really very good because if even after PhD, I will tell you later on once you join it, MTech PhD. After that, there are a lot many postdoctoral fellowship programs available in foreign universities.
Yes,
So we
sir,
can
yes, sir.
get really good jobs abroad after this. So that is what we will do, right?
Yes, sir. So, but most of the expected questions, what I was expecting from them, I didn't get, sir.
Not
Mostly
a
they asked
problem.
me,
This is how it happens. Nothing to worry about that.
and that too, it was only for not even 10 minutes. They asked me 10 to 12 questions. I didn't answer two of them because मुझे clearly नहीं पता था. So I didn't want to brag about anything. So
Yes,
directly
yes.
बोल दिया नहीं sir, मुझे I am not able to remember it. I don't know. मैंने बोल दिया बस. और कोई क्वेश्चन से पूछा डायरेक्टली आंसर बोल दिया और कोई से फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन कुछ भी नहीं पूछे.
Anyway, but Kiran, you can't expect, you can't guess the selection or rejection on the basis of this.
Yes, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
you have to do is you have to give your best.
I'm aware of it, sir. I have given my best, but call आएगी नहीं मुझे नहीं पता.
Don't you worry. Just keep giving your best. Fine.
Okay, sir.